Hello, good morning. Today we will see about inheritance in Java. Java inheritance. So inheritance is reusability. Reusability of code as well as members is the advantage of the inheritance. It is also a property of OOPS, object oriented programming structure. Property inheritance is supported by Java also. The speciality in Java is that Java does not support multiple inheritance directly. Java does not support multiple inheritance directly. So we will see what is multiple inheritance. What is that? If we have two classes, like this, okay, I'm just drawing only. Okay, and if I want to derive this third class, like this, from here and from here, if I need to have a third class, this is class 1, this is class 2, and this is class 3. Okay, so if I want to derive the third class from both classes 1 and 2, it is not allowed in Java directly. It is not allowed in Java directly. It means that if 1 and 2 are both classes, then it is not allowed. Okay, but Java supports multiple inheritance using a technique called using interfaces. We have seen what is interface. Interface means a class-like structure which contain all abstract functions. Abstract function is a function which does not have any body, and so Java supports multiple inheritance if one of them is an interface. So here, if one is a class and 2 is an interface, then this is valid. Also, if 1 is interface, if 2 is interface, then it is valid. It means that if we have two classes, then we cannot derive the third class from the both classes. So Java does not support multiple inheritance directly using classes. But if you want to have some derivation like this and one of them is an interface, Java supports it. So if one is class, 2 is interface, then this is valid. If 1 is interface, 2 is class, this is valid. If 1 is interface, 2 is interface, then also this is valid. Okay, I think that is clear now. Java supports single inheritance. Java supports multi-level inheritance. Java supports hierarchical inheritance. Okay, if this is inverted, if this is inverted, then it becomes hierarchical inheritance. From one class we are deriving two classes. So if this is inverted, then it is hierarchical. Java supports that. Java supports single inheritance, hierarchical inheritance, multi-level inheritance, and also hybrid combination of inheritances. But Java does not support multiple inheritance directly, means using classes. So if we want to have some features like this, deriving features from two classes, so we cannot use two classes, we can use one interface. We know that interface is similar to class, but the difference is that it does not have any function definitions, but it has function names. It has function names. It does not have any function body. So if 2 is an interface, then while after deriving the class 3 from the 2, what we have to do first is that we have to give definition to all the functions in the interface 2, because the interface 2, if interface 2 contains 5 functions, then all these 5 functions will not be having any body, and so after deriving these third class from 1 and 2, what we have to do is that we have to give definition to the functions, abstract functions of the class 2. Okay, so this is about the idea of inheritance, and for deriving one class from another, we are using the keyword extends. It is extends, EXTENDS. So mind that there is S is there, extends. So class 2 extends 1. This means that we have a base class called 1 and we are deriving a class 2 from the class 1. Okay. The remaining features are like C++. As you know, we have the public, private, protected concept. All the variables which are defined as public and protected will be derived to the derived classes. Okay. So extends is the keyword used for deriving one class from another. Okay. And after that, if I am giving class 3 extends 2. So while programming, if I am using these two syntaxes, one is class 2 extends 1. So first class is derived from the class 2 is derived from the class 1. Now we have class 3 extends 2. So class 3 is extended or derived from class 2. So here the base class as 1, then 2 is derived from 1, then 3 is derived from 2. So it is multi-level, 1, 2, 3, multi-level inheritance. If this is given as class 3 extends 1 itself, it means that class 2 and class 3 are derived from the same class 1. Okay. So this is hierarchical inheritance. Okay. Base class is 1. From that we have two classes, 2 and 3. This is hierarchical inheritance. Okay. So multi-level I have shown you. Single level, it is class 2 extends 1, it is single inheritance. Multi-level means deriving one more class from the derived class, multi-level, and this is hierarchical inheritance. And as I told you, class 2 extends 1, 2, this is not permissible because 1, 3. If 1 and 3 are two classes, we cannot extend another class named 2 from both the classes, because Java does not support multiple inheritance directly. Directly means using two classes. So if I want to use this multiple inheritance concept, we can use one of them as interface, as I told you, and that it is syntax is the term implements. The term implements is used for, the keyword implements is used for deriving from an interface, from an interface. Okay. So class 2 extends 1, implements 3. So this is the syntax for deriving one class from one interface and other one interface and the other class. So we have a class named 1 and we have an interface named 3, and from this class and interface we are deriving the class 2. Okay. So inside class 2 what we have to do is that we have to give the definition for the abstract functions which were available in interface 3. If it has 3 abstract functions, then we have to redefine all the 3 functions. Otherwise we cannot create object of class 2. So I am deriving a class 2 from an interface 3 and class 1. So the methods and the members of class 1 are accessible inside this class 2. Okay, but as we know, interface contains only abstract functions, means the functions without body is only available in interface. So after deriving like this, we have to give definition to the methods which are abstract in interface 3. Okay. So this is about the inheritance concept in Java. We will see a program for this in the next video. Thank you.